The growing demand for mechanical keyboards highlights how much typists and gamers value precision, durability, and performance. And the same goes for windshield wipers when it comes to safe driving. A quality wiper blade improves visibility, withstands harsh weather, and offers long-lasting value. This list Bosch 26A28 Icon Beam Wiper Blades, driver and passenger side. The Bosch Icon Beam Wiper Blades are widely regarded as some of the best in the industry for their performance and longevity. Designed with beam technology, they deliver even pressure across the blade for streak-free wiping in all weather conditions. The dual rubber compound resists heat and ozone damage, extending the blade's lifespan significantly compared to conventional wipers. Installation is quick and hassle-free, thanks to the included adapters that fit most vehicles. These wipers perform excellently in heavy rain, snow, and sleet, maintaining a clear view when you need it most. The set includes both driver and passenger blades, ensuring consistent quality on both sides of the windshield. If you're looking for reliability, superior build quality, and excellent all-season performance, the Bosch Icon Beam Blades are hard to beat. List No. Rain-X 820249 Weatherbeater Wiper Blades, 26 and 20 windshield wipers, pack of 2. Rain-X is a trusted name in automotive care, and their Weatherbeater wiper blades offer outstanding value and dependable performance. These conventional frame wipers use a natural rubber squeegee that resists cracking, splitting, and tearing caused by heat, cold, or salt. Their durable steel frame ensures even pressure across the blade for a clean, streak-free wipe every time. The Weatherbeater is engineered to fit a wide variety of vehicles and installs easily with pre-installed small J-hook adapters. They handle rain, snow, and road grime effectively, making them a solid choice for year-round driving. With both driver and passenger blades included, this set is ideal for anyone who wants reliable, affordable windshield wipers that don't compromise on quality or durability. List No. The Rain-X Weatherbeater wiper blades are perfect for drivers looking for a balance between performance and affordability. Featuring a galvanized steel frame and all-natural rubber blade, these wipers resist corrosion and remain flexible in all climates. They glide smoothly across the windshield, efficiently removing water, snow, and debris without leaving streaks. With a straightforward installation process and compatibility with most vehicles, these blades are user-friendly and dependable. The pack of 2 ensures both sides of your windshield benefit from the same high level of performance. Affordable, durable, and backed by the trusted Rain-X name, the Weatherbeater wipers are an excellent upgrade for maintaining clear visibility during bad weather. List 4. Motium OEM Quality Premium All-Season Windshield Wiper Blades. Motium's OEM quality wiper blades deliver premium performance at an affordable price. Designed for all-season use, these blades are made of high-grade rubber and feature a steel frame for durability and even pressure distribution. They're engineered to minimize streaking and noise, ensuring a quiet and effective wipe in rain, snow, or sleet. The aerodynamic design helps reduce wind lift at high speeds, which is a plus during highway driving. Easy to install with universal adapters, these wipers fit a wide range of vehicles. Motium blades are also corrosion resistant, making them ideal for regions where salt and road chemicals can take a toll on your car. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, dependable set of wipers that perform consistently throughout the year, Motium's OEM blades are an excellent choice. List No. 5. Motium OEM quality wiper blades combine affordability and quality, making them a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. With a strong steel frame and durable rubber blade, they offer effective streak-free performance no matter the weather. Their aerodynamic shape reduces drag and prevents wind lift, providing consistent contact with the windshield. Easy to install and widely compatible, these blades are corrosion-resistant and built to last through countless storms. They're quiet, efficient, and dependable, exactly what you need for safe driving.